Good morning, students. Let us discuss the three cases that I have told you in my last video that we are going to discuss these topics. So let us start with the same. So first case is for positive acceleration. So for this, what we have taken, the body has started from rest, and I have told you in my previous videos also that if a body has started its journey or it start from rest, one and the same thing, then u must be equals to 0. Initial velocity will always be taken as 0. After 5 seconds, say in 5 seconds it has attained, it has acquired, it has achieved, या उसकी velocity हो गई, that means कि उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी हो गई है 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मतलब अगर ऐसा लिखा हो क्वेश्चन में कि आफ्टर 5 द बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रेस्ट, दैट मीन्स u इक्वल्स टू 0, and after 5 seconds it has attained, it has achieved, it has acquired velocity 5 meter per second, then you should understand that it is v vector actually, final velocity actually. So data will not be given to you in the same form that I have written, but you have to take out the data from the question. Then you have to put these three values in the formula for acceleration v minus u by t. So here I am going to put the values v, 5, u 0 and time 5 second, and we arrived at the answer, that is positive 1 meter per second square. Next case is for negative acceleration. Since acceleration is a vector quantity, so it can be positive, negative or 0, just like displacement and velocity. So come to the next case, which is just opposite of this case. Here we have taken u as 0, that body has started from rest, but here what we are going to do, we have assumed that the body comes to rest. So these two cases are just opposite. So let us analyze the situation in detail. Let us suppose that it's given in the question, a body is moving with speed 20 meter per second. एक body already motion में है, कितनी speed के साथ 20 meter per second से already move कर रही है, और 5 सेकेंड में इट कम्स टू रेस्ट, उसकी वेलोसिटी 0 हो गई, मतलब वो रुक गई, वो अपनी जर्नी कंप्लीट कर चुकी है. द बॉडी हैज स्टार्टेड इट्स जर्नी विद 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड, या बॉडी इज ऑलरेडी मूविंग विद 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड, दैट मीन्स u इज गिवन टू यू. और 5 सेकेंड में वो बॉडी ने ब्रेक्स अप्लाई किए अपने व्हीकल के और वो रेस्ट पर आ गई, मतलब फाइनली इट कम्स टू रेस्ट, मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 0. So after putting all these three values in the formula v minus u by t, what we have got acceleration equals to minus 4 meter per second square. So here we have noticed that acceleration can be negative also, and negative acceleration I have told you in my previous video also that it can be termed as deceleration or retardation also. Students, notice one thing more here, कि unit of acceleration and retardation is same, meter per second square, because this is negative, so it doesn't mean that unit will also become negative. Units can never be negative, only magnitude should be negative, only magnitude can be negative. So acceleration is negative only because of this magnitude, not of this unit. Unit can never be negative. Keep this thing in mind. Sometimes student may get confused कि deceleration या retardation है तो उसकी unit भी क्या होगी, नेगेटिव मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर होगी. कभी कभी एक क्वेश्चन भी आता है कि व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ डेसेलरेशन, एंड स्टूडेंट्स राइट माइनस मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, और बहुत प्राउडली बोलते हैं कि हाँ हमारा क्वेश्चन ठीक है, बट दैट इज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली. सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट. So now let's come to the case third, where we have assumed that body has uniform और constant velocity. Body जिस velocity से move कर रही है उसी वेलोसिटी से बार बार वो मूव करती जा रही है, उसकी वेलोसिटी चेंज नहीं हुई. सो सिचुएशन क्या है, u और v सेम है. 20 सेकेंड बॉडी स्टार्ट हुई तब भी उसकी वेलोसिटी 20 थी, और 20 सेकेंड्स के बाद भी उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी रही, 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड ही रही. तो एक्सेलरेशन, क्योंकि वेलोसिटी का चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा, यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी चेंज ही नहीं हो रही, 20 की 20 ही है वो, तो दैट मीन्स कि एक्सेलरेशन यहाँ पे क्या हो गई, 0 हो गई. क्योंकि एक्सेलरेशन क्या है, रेट ऑफ चेंज, चेंज को हम देख रहे हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. सिंस वेलोसिटी चेंज ही नहीं हुई तो इसका मतलब एक्सेलरेशन भी कुछ नहीं है, एक्सेलरेशन इज 0. सो you come to a conclusion students now कि acceleration can be positive, when u and v becomes equal, when a body is in constant or uniform motion or they have constant velocity, acceleration can be positive for this situation and it can be negative for this situation. For more consultation, if you have any doubts, you can refer to my notes also. I have told you in my notes also in the same way that I have described over here.